We are pleased to show you the 2025 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.